All right, here we have a 1998 Mercedes CL500. This is the CL. This is going to use the wired key, which is an older style key. We're going to end up making the key from scratch and everything. Probably going to end up decoding the door lock and then making the key from scratch, and then we'll go into the programming. We'll come back shortly with the car running. Alright, we're back. The key's made from scratch. All the cuts needed. Basically, this is a 32 cut key, 16 on each side. This is what everybody wants to see. Can we do the programming? Yes, the dealer can't order these keys no more. Starts right up. So you need our help, just give us a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you. And we do have all the equipment that's needed to make this happen. Thanks.